Hey everybody, welcome back here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to solve your high-pitched noise issues on your AirPod third generation, especially when you are not listening to the music. Now, some people are saying when they're placing their AirPod third generation to the ear and not listening to the music, they're getting kind of annoying high-pitched rattling noise, which is kind of really painful. But don't worry, I'm going to just go ahead and show you some easy and quick ways that you guys can follow to solve your problem. Now, the very first that I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys to just take a look at is make sure that your device is already connected with your iPhone, and then just go ahead and open up your settings and tap on your Bluetooth, and of course you have to tap on your AirPod. And from there, you'll be able to see this option, which is called automatic ear detection. Go ahead and disable this option, and right after that, just force close your application, and then just go ahead and take a look whether your problem is solved or not. Even afterward, if you still have the same problem, the next things we're going to go ahead and tell you to do is just go ahead and reset up your AirPod third generation with your iPhone to solve your problem. Now, to reset up your device, all you have to do, you have to take a look at the back, then you'll be able to see one button. Just go ahead and press and hold it. Then you have to keep it holding unless you see the color changes with the red or orange color, and at the same time you get the pop-up on your devices. Now, once you get the AirPod pop-up on your device, go ahead and tap on connect, and then your device will be reconnected with your AirPod third generation. Now, even after giving that, let's say, the reset on your AirPod third generation, if you see still you have the same problem that is happening with your device, then sometime this issue can happen because of your iPhone as well. Therefore, on our iPhone, all you want to do is you want to tap your settings and then scroll down to your general and scroll down all the way to your transfer and reset iPhone, and here you need to choose a reset, and then you'll get a prompt, and from there you have to choose the second option called reset network settings. Go ahead and tap in there, and now tap on reset network settings. Once your iPhone gets turned back on, go ahead and connect your device with your iPhone once again, and your problem will be solved. So these are the way that you guys can follow pretty much on your iPhone as well as on your third generation of AirPod in order to solve the high-pitched noise or the rattling sounds that you probably have with your AirPod third generation. Alright guys, so these are the way that you guys can follow to solve your problem. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.